plate number.
Time check, it's 11:58.
Shoot, shoot.
Shoot, shoot. Do you know the words? No. There's some words?
I don't know. Here. The next MC.
Konti lang. Oh, yeah, yes.
Gusto ko makita si Andrew talaga. Oh my God. My idol. Hey, Jane.
How much?
Okay na lang natin siya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Dreamers Dancer.
Umiiyak na yung underarm ko. Sobrang init. I forgot to put sunblock. Oh, it's too hot.
Iinit mo. Tanggalin mo na kasi ito lagay mo dyan. Lagay natin ito dito. Okay, kaya na tayo.
Hi guys! We're going to... Saan nga ba yun?
Taste of Manila.
Taste of Manila. Mag-walk lang kami. Kasi malapit lang naman dito. Andito na kami sa Quiapo guys. Sobrang daming tao. Ice cream!
So that everyone can see move forward. 1, 2, 3!
Teka.
And of course our sir for bringing us here.
Time check, it's 9:30. Hindi na namin tinapos yung event kasi napagod na kami, umuwi na kami.